Hey everybody, welcome back. Well, today we went to the Lassour swap meet. We picked up some parts for Mark's new 38A. We picked up some rear wheels for him. And we also picked up a front wheel for Hyatt's 37A. Let's see, what else did we pick up? We picked up a hand crank for the ZTU Moline. We picked up an air cleaner cap for the ZTU Moline. We picked up the steering gear cover for the D here. Picked up some more gasket material from Flywheel Supply. It's always great to stop there and get some of that stuff because they sell it for like $1 a sheet. So, and the sheets are probably 12 wide by anywhere from 18 to 36 inches long, almost 30 inches long maybe. So I picked up 20 sheets of that for $20. So good buy there. What else did we pick up? Oh, I picked up a sign, or actually it's a tool board, but I couldn't pass it up. I'll show you guys a picture. Couldn't pass it up. So that's hanging up in the barn, but I didn't take any video, didn't take any camera footage at the swap meet just because, you know, once you go to Lassour, you kind of have seen it. You know, it's just row after row after row, table after table of stuff. And, you know, that's just kind of the way it is. It's a big swap meet, you know. So, but I did take some video of some things that we did after we got back here to the house. We had to take the fuel tank off of the D and clean it out and seal it. I'll get more into that in a more in-depth video, but got the tank back on, gave it a test run, and actually took it out for its third attempt at a maiden voyage, and it performed flawlessly. So we took it all the way down to the end of the block, which is from here down and back is probably at least a half a mile. So we drove it, you know, on pavement for about a half a mile, and it didn't miss a beat, didn't cough once, and it's still, the tank is still, I would say lukewarm. So, yeah, I guess that's all I've got. Without further ado, here's what we got from today. Enjoy. We'll see you guys in the next one.